Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon MG5750. Now this is pretty simple, can be done from the machine itself. And all we do, if you lift on the left and right of the hand side of the printer, just got this bit there, the printer will detect that this part has been lifted and will slide the cradle over into the correct position. Now when it's here and still, you can see all of the ink cartridges in there, so we'll just take out whichever one we need replacing. And then pop in our replacement, click it down, and if the light's on, you know it's been recognised there. So then we just pop the cover back down again, and away we go. The printer will take a second just to recognise that cartridge, but when it's done so, and assuming it's happy with it, you'll get a message on screen. Now as you can see here, it's recognised that I've messed around with the yellow cartridge, and it's just given us a quick indication there with the full code. If you'd have got to that quicker than me, you'd have pressed OK, but otherwise it just flicks back to the screen, and away you go. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thank you, take care, bye bye.